Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. We take a look at the short-term bullish and short-term bearish scenarios for Natgas. Natgas has broken above initial resistance, which shows some additional strength, and basically the market seems to have put a more substantial low in place. However, as you can clearly see here from the low that was formed in February, it's only a three-wave rally, which still leaves the door open for another drop. Especially for risk management purposes, it is worth having a bearish scenario. And I have worked out another bearish count that still allows for one more low. It's just knowing about it, but due to the break above initial resistance, I need this to prove itself. So this is not preferred until we break below support. What kind of support that is, we're going to talk about in a minute. And also, let me show you first this count. This bigger picture wouldn't change. So still B wave top here in August 22. And also wave 1, wave 2. So I'm going to change the color in a minute. But instead of having a third wave that bottomed in April 23, the third wave bottomed here in February 24, then this is now a fourth wave rally, which would be an ABC structure, and we could still get one more low. It is a larger degree wave count basically, and it would still allow here for a fourth wave rally in an ABC structure and allows still for one more low. And I have added the resistance area for this wave count to the chart. And in this resistance range, okay, I mean, we've actually entered it, but I've left out that I'm not showing the 23.6 Fib level. I start at the 38.2, so $2.79. That's basically the next Fib resistance. Above that, 338. And the $4.10 level is not so relevant because ideally I don't want this wave 4 actually to break above 338, okay? Well, that means the white count remains primary, which is basically that we've bottomed. But again, that's not an absolute prediction. It means that support levels need to hold to keep that wave count alive. Okay, so what we need as a next stage of confirmation that we have really bottomed is obviously here a 5-wave move. Could take a while until that 5-wave move is complete, so we're going to talk about that in this video. Just note that, yep, there is still the option for one more low in the yellow count. Maybe we talk about that first in detail. In this scenario, the yellow count is simply an A, B, C structure. That C wave, however, is quite extended because the A wave was what would be the A wave. I'm not labeling that. The A wave is quite short and the C wave is very long. Okay, so it challenges this scenario. And it's worth knowing what the level is that needs to break to suggest that we are coming down in the fifth wave. It is the $1.92 level. It's a 61.8 retracement of this rally. And why is that the level? Well, the $1.92 level, and again, confirmation is not certainty, but if that level breaks, then I can basically rule out that it's a pullback in the white count. Okay, it's the fourth wave, and it hasn't given us any confirmation that this fourth wave is starting. But if a fourth wave pullback starts, this should be the support area where we can look for support between 234 and 192, and then we can still get one more high afterwards if we can find support there. The main question is, have we actually bottomed? Have we topped in the third wave? And there is absolutely no sign, Some people ask me for a micro count. I mean, I can tell you there are so many different Natgas charts. The Natgas chart really is not clear enough for doing accurate micro counting. I mean, best I could share with you. First of all, this rally is a 3-wave move. Okay, so I have to consider that this is an ABC in wave 1, wave 2 pullback. Then it would also be an ABC in wave 3. This definitely is challenging. Best I could say is that this was a small AB and we're now in the C wave rally. So looking at that, and then actually that within the C wave, this here is a small 1, 2, and I haven't seen a clear fourth wave. So 3, 4, 5, again, I need to change the color and wave degree. So for me, it could be that this C wave of a third is still extending higher. Yeah, so it might get another 4, 5 pattern. Kind of makes sense to me. And then we should, that means if we push any higher, I need to adjust the support area in orange with the price. But basically that means against 192, the white count is preferred, that we've bottomed. And also it suggests that it could still take a little while until we dip into that support region, and the support region needs to be moved with the price as we go higher. That's very, very important because it is measured against the high of the third wave. So that's my update about Natgas. I keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500 as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.